we got our second package from Claw Toys today. And hang on. I'm going to open it and we'll see what we got. Now first, this is definitely a free gift because I know I didn't claw this, but this is super cool. It is a
watermelon. We have one in the fridge. Why'd you buy a watermelon in the fridge?
I didn't buy the watermelon. Yeah, sure I did. So it's a watermelon, and it's got a little suction cup thing, so you could stick it on something.
Really? Oh, it's supposed to be one of those things for the window. Can I keep it on it? So happy.
That's fine. The second thing I got, this is a Bluetooth speaker.
You got a Bluetooth speaker?
Yep. And I'm
Usually
really
those
happy
are
about
worth
that.
$40, but now you got it for free.
Yep. And it's really cute. Ooh, look at the big one. So it's cool. So it's like an old-fashioned radio type deal. It has a USB. It has a cable. You can it looks like you can put a card in there. And it came with cables, which is always nice. So it looks. This is an aux cable, so you can actually just plug it right into your audio. And then of course you've got the USB cable. So that is really, really cool. It's so cute. All right. I'm super excited about that. All right, and then the second thing, this is another free one.
Another free one?
Another free toy.
Put
this up here now. There we go.
It's a lucky llama.
It's a lucky llama. That is so cute. Oh, it also has a little suction cup thing, so you can hang this one up too. That's adorable. Cool. Oh,
wait, maybe the lucky llama is supposed to eat the lucky watermelon because it's green. And green is lucky. Nom, nom, nom.
This I've totally been waiting for, and I'm so excited.
What is it?
I've wanted one of these since, excuse me, Zipporah. Please don't talk over me. I've wanted one of these since I was a kid. And it is a Game Boy. Now this is really cool because you don't need cartridges for this. This has 400 games in one. And I'm really excited to start messing around with this. This also has cable, so it looks like you could probably plug this into a TV to play, which is really cool. And then of course you've got regular USB cable. Looks like you can also, it comes with battery. So it looks like you got a rechargeable battery in there as well. And let's see what it says in the user manual. I'm really curious to see if it says which games are on here. It doesn't. So I'm going to have to find out which games, but I know it's definitely got Mario since it's got Mario right on the front of the user manual. I don't know, but we'll find out because I'm super excited about this. And if I like it enough, I'm totally going to try to win another of them, maybe more than one. Because you can still win these.
So we can play against each other?
I don't know against each other, but you can definitely play. I wonder what it says in the box. No, doesn't say. Just digital game system, 3-inch super wide LCD, slim, portable, trendy.
How come you got
Can play on the TV. And rechargeable. So yeah, I am really excited to try this out and see.
But like the head of a llama.
Very cute. So yes, second box, really awesome. We got, in this one, we got the Bluetooth speaker. And we got the Game Boy, and then we got 2 free gifts. I got a cute little llama, which is adorable, and I got a watermelon. So thanks for watching. We have another package coming on Monday.